Welcome to B52 with a View. Today we're going to be doing a small section of the Hayward Reservoir Trail heading up to STEELHEAD Falls. It's only a 1.8 K hike, should be a quick in and out. It's very rainy today, this is why we're doing a short one. I would like to acknowledge today, as we get started on our hike, that we are hiking on the traditional and unceded territories of the Coast Salish peoples, the Stolo and the Kwantlen. This bridge that was built by BC Hydro crosses over Brown Creek. A beautiful crossing. Seems to be have recently been built. It has been beautifully maintained, almost like a piece of art in the middle of the forest. Second crossing is over Steelhead Creek, another beautiful cedar bridge by BC Hydro.
At about 1.5 kilometers, you will reach the junction in the trail. This is the turnoff to the STEELHEAD Falls trail. This trail heads down and is the only steep part on the entire trek. It is a well-maintained trail with stairs in all the right places, and it brings you to a great observation deck.
Well, we made it to Steelhead Falls. So without question, the star of this hike is the Steelhead Falls themselves, tucked away in a lush green forest. These falls are magnificent. I'd say they drop around 100 feet and worth the price of admission. I actually hiked down into right at the bottom of the falls there. I was able to get right up close, get some good shots. It's definitely worth the 25 minutes to 30 minutes to hike in. Given that we live in a temperate rainforest over here on the wet coast of British Columbia, our beautiful canopy is nature's umbrella. Don't let it stop you get out into the rain. So Steelhead Falls is a great little 1.8 K hike with very little elevation. The only elevation difference is if you go down, descend into the falls, and of course what goes down must come up. So that's really short and easy. Beautiful west coast forest, ferns, salal, cedars, and firs. It's hikes like these that make it okay to get out in the rain. Oh. Well, there you have it, folks. Steelhead Falls in the rain. Beauty hike. About an hour out and back under the canopy, staying nice and dry. Got my rain jacket drying as we speak. Let's head back.